Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious fruit salad with banana. First, select a variety of fresh, ripe fruits like strawberries, blueberries, and oranges. Ensure your bananas are firm but sweet. Next, wash all your produce thoroughly under cool water. Set up your cutting board and grab a sharp knife, ready for preparation. Now, let's start cutting. Begin with the firmer fruits, dicing them into uniform, bite-sized pieces. Remember to peel and slice your bananas last. This helps prevent them from browning too quickly. Once all your fruits are prepared, gently transfer them into a large mixing bowl. Handle them with care to maintain their shape and freshness. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are incredibly comfortable and durable. You can find a link to them and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. To enhance the flavors, let's make a simple dressing. Whisk together the juice of 1 orange or lemon with about 1 tablespoon of honey. Pour this mixture over your fruit salad. Gently toss everything to ensure an even coating. For the best taste, cover the bowl and chill your fruit salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.